And if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I wanted.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a huge keto haul. I went to Walmart, Lowe's, and TJMAXX. And yeah, I got a bunch of good stuff, a bunch of new stuff I've never seen. Everything is keto to me. So I do lazy keto, whatever fits in my macros. But most of the stuff has 0 carbs. Some things people won't agree with, but this is stuff I eat, I lose weight. And yeah, and have a huge sweatshirt on because it was cold this morning and now it's hot. So yeah, I'm burning up. I need to put this food up. So I'm gonna hurry up and go through this. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name's Lindsay. I film planner, keto, any kind of lifestyle video you can think of. And yeah, I would love if you hit that red button down below and subscribe and join this wonderful family we have created here on YouTube. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So to begin with, we got some, this is in no specific order. So we have some tuna with a sriracha, some taco seasoning, some tomato sauce, some thick and chunky salsa. We have some Italian seasoning. We have some broccoli stir fry. We have some meatballs to make spaghetti. We have some broccoli florette. Moving on, we have some mozzarella and provolone cheese, Parmesan cheese, a big thing of shredded cheese. I have this Hershey's whipped cream. I have 2 because one is my friend Misty's. And then I have the Reese one to go with it. I have some Country Crock original butter. I know this isn't like real butter, but I like this butter and so does my husband, so this is what we have. I don't use a lot of butter, so I have some sour cream, some cottage cheese. Next, I have some different kinds of hummus. I have this spinach and artichoke. I have this roasted red pepper. This one's not mine, this is my friend Misty's. It is the black bean hummus. I think this is pretty high in carbs, if y'all are wondering. No, this is actually only 4 carbs per serving. So for any of y'all wanting to try this, that's only 4 carbs. And then we have dark chocolate dessert hummus. Another thing of sour cream for some recipes. I have some romaine lettuce. And then I have this Caesar salad bag lettuce. I have some wisp, Asigo, that's not how you say that. I know how to say it, but I can't say it today. And pepper jack cheese crisp. I have this pumpkin cheesecake sugar-free syrup, and I have the pumpkin praline. I have 2 bags of this Splenda because we did the Walmart grocery order, and they gave us 2 bags, so I'll take it. I have some cheese. These are my friend's Misty's. They are not mine, but aren't they cute? And then I have some ground meat. I have some of this spicy cheese sticks. Some sugar-free Reese's. Some Dale's seasoning stuff for the steaks on Friday. These Fit Crunch caramel peanut bars. This is for me. This is Truvia. I have 2 spaghetti squashes. Tons of chicken breast, some steaks that are in there. So I have some steaks, chicken, then I have these oven baked parm crisps. I have jalapeno, I have black sesame, I have some salt and vinegar almonds, and then some eggs. So yeah, I think this is everything, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more groceries hauls, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.